Let's talk about getting skills inside of your Claude desktop app. Most people are talking about how Claude skills are used in Claude Code, but there is a way that you can actually, and very simply, use those skills inside of the Claude desktop app. Now, you're going to need a few things. Number one, obviously, is going to be a Claude account. When you are logged into your Claude account, you are then going to head over into the Cowork tab and to customize. You're then going to see a skills button. And now here is where we can create or import skills. Now, what you can do here is go to a directory. There are many of these, but this one is probably my personal favorite. The URL is skills.sh. Now, you can see here we have over 88,000 skills, and this number is growing every single day. So what you're going to do is use this search bar to start to search for skills, any type of skill that you're looking for. Now, let's say, for example, we are looking for marketing skills. If I could spell that correctly, it would give us some results. Let's try that again. Marketing, and here we go. So now what we can see here is a list of all of the marketing skills available that have been built and uploaded to GitHub by people. Now you'll see that this is automatically sorted by installs. So right across the top, we have the marketing psychology that has 26, almost 25,000 installs. Now what's going to happen is when you click on it, you're going to see this specific skill. Now up here, this line right across the top, this is how you would use this inside of Claude Code, which we're not going to cover in this video. We're going to cover how you can actually get these skills inside of Claude desktop app, like I mentioned. Now what you're going to do here, you can give this a quick read to see if this seems like the right skill that you want to use. And then you're going to come over here and see the link for the repository. Now what you're going to notice in a lot of cases, when you click on the GitHub repository, the skill that we were just looking at in our case, which was marketing psychology, is actually one of many skills inside what this creator has put together. So this is actually Corey Haynes' marketing skills. He's got about 30 or so skills here that turn your Claude into an expert marketing team. It's super powerful. But again, as you'll notice, that marketing psychology skill is one of many inside of this package. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this green code button, and you're going to click download zip. Now, once you have downloaded that file, you are going to find it in your actual downloads folder, which is right here. Now, when you unzip that folder, it's going to look something like this, which has, again, you'll see matching all of the files that we see here inside of this GitHub repository. So we can't take this skill library and dump the entire thing in, because that, again, is not what Claude desktop app is made for, and it doesn't process it the same way it works inside of Claude Code. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on skills, and now we can see each individual skill. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to find one or multiple skills that we want to use. And in our case, I did this with the marketing ideas. You're going to take the folder, you're going to right click, and you're going to say compress, which is going to turn that folder structure, or all of the files that you see right here, into a zip file. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back into Claude, and I'll actually just get rid of this one and we'll reinstall it. So now you can see it's gone. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this plus icon at the top. We are going to say upload a skill. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Finder. We're going to take the zip file that we just created. We're going to head back and we are going to drag to upload. Now what Claude is going to do is automatically install that skill that we just downloaded, unzipped, and have now put into Claude. So what's really amazing about this and about how Claude actually works and interacts with these skills, just like it does inside of Claude Code, is you can either specifically call your skill, or you can actually just ask for, let's say, I want 10 marketing ideas for how to build a brand, a personal brand in 2026. Because Claude will know that you're looking for marketing ideas, it will automatically reference your marketing ideas skill. You can do this inside of a new Cowork task. You can do this inside of a new chat. It doesn't matter. That skill is now available to you anywhere that you go inside of the Claude app. Now, one last thing that I will say here that is super, super powerful is if we go back to skills, you'll notice that there are a set of examples along the bottom. Now, these are skills directly created by the Anthropic team. So what you can do is you can click on any of these skills. You can give them a quick read again, just like you did before, just like you could do before on the skills.sh website to see whether or not this is a skill you're looking for. For me personally, the skill creator is incredibly powerful, and they've just released some very, very powerful updates a couple days ago. So I wanted to use and make sure that that skill was activated, because now what I can do is I can go to, again, either a new task, or I can go to a new chat, and I can say, hey, Claude, create me a skill that does X, Y, and Z. And now Claude will actually use that skill creator to create a robust skill. So let's say that we want to make a skill that says, hey, Claude, create me a skill that builds an email newsletter template based on, let's actually say, based on the way that I write my emails. And if you notice, I already had one of these because I've already done it, but I'm going to show you what the process actually looks like. So now what it's going to do, it's going to start this new conversation, and it's actually going to build the entire skill for us. You can see it's automatically reading the skill creator skill. And that's because it's installed, and Claude understands and knows that what I'm asking would require that skill to be used. So now it's going to go through, it's going to actually understand again, and it's even seeing here that I have an existing skill for my email writing structure, and it's actually just going to reference that. So this is actually even doing more than I expected on its own. So it has because my writing style is already written inside of that email skill, it's actually using that and referencing it already. So it's going to ask me some clarifying questions. Again, this is the process that it goes through of creating an actual skill. And at the end of it, so what we're going to do is, let's say we want to do let's say for this one, we want it to be a visual. So an HTML email template. I use go high level and use existing. We will just say, use the existing voice because I've already given it some examples. So we'll just say that. Now what this is going to do is it's going to create. So now the other email skill builder that I have creates a plain text version. Now this email skill builder is going to create the HTML version. You could create one skill that actually does both, but this is just going to give you an understanding of how these skills actually work when you're creating them in practice. Because now what it's essentially going to do, build out the entire thing for me, ask me if I want to make any changes, and then if I say yes, then it'll continue to prompt me. We'll continue to refine and improve on that skill. If I say no, it'll actually just give me the option to install that skill directly. Now this is such a super powerful tool, and here we go. You can see it building the skill. It's going through step by step. Again, people can build skills themselves by opening a new MD file, a new markdown file, and just creating it and outlining the steps. But the skill creator skill is so powerful that you might as well do it this way, because you are just going to make sure that Claude builds everything out for you in the way that it needs to be built to be best used as you go ahead. So you can see how thorough this is already. And again, this is a basic example. I haven't provided any HTML or stylistic examples of what this email thread should look like. I haven't really given it much for the sake of this example and keeping it short, but you can see how powerful this already is. Because now all I'm going to need to say in the future is, hey, let's create an HTML email template for the email blast that I'm sending out on Friday about X, Y, and Z. And it will literally just reference this skill and build it exactly to the specifications that it is outlining and creating right now, which is amazing because typically we would have had to always provide that additional context every single time we wanted to create a new email template. This is doing literally everything for us, which is super, super impressive. All right, so I let that finish out, and now you can see what a finished and completed skill actually looks like. So it's gone through, and as I said, it's done everything for me, but it's given us essentially a few main files. The number one most important file is our skill MD file. So this is what Claude follows when it's actually going to do this and build this email template for us moving forward. It's given us everything from even a quick little outline of the architecture to the color brand and the brands we should be using. Again, this is all customizable. I can change any of this if I want, either by prompting in this conversation or actually just editing this MD file. But it's also given me a sample of the newsletter. Now, again, remember, I didn't give it any examples. I didn't tell it how to design it or what to use. So the prompting was very minimal. But if we put in some time and some effort into providing examples and giving some more detailed prompts, you can see how powerful this would become, because it would create this perfect email template for us. Now, super simple. I can just copy this to my skills and you will see that it is automatically updated. So now I can go to manage. We're going to head over to skills. And we now have our skills. Our skills have now been fully, if I go back to customize, our skills. Now inside of our chat window, we have our skills that have been installed. So these are our skills inside of chat. If I head back to our main menu and I go into Cowork, switch to the Cowork tab, head over to Customize, you will now see that our skills are here. Perfect. Now there was a quick little bug there and I just was able to fix it quickly by refreshing the Claude window. When I added the new skill, it actually removed it. Sorry, it didn't remove the other skills. It was just not showing the other skills. I did a quick refresh of Claude and now they all show up properly. So we have our email writer skill, which was the first one that I created before. We have our marketing ideas skill, which was one that we imported. And we now also have our email newsletter template, which is the one that we just created. So again, to add in any other skills, you're going to go to your skills.sh, find those skills, head over to the GitHub, download the entire zip of everything you see here on GitHub, which means you may need to then find one, compress it, and then head back into Claude, add new skill, and let's try this again. And your free tool strategy is now a skill available to you. So this is how you get your custom skills inside of Claude. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one when we walk through more Claude and Claude Code and other AI tips that are going to help you make more money and buy back your time by leveraging the power of AI. Peace.